Shruthi and I'm from Bangalore, and I'm with WhiteHat Jr from July 2020. So I was in US 2 years back and I moved back to Bangalore, and definitely I was looking for something to work from home, as I have a kid and I manage the home alone. I have 21 students presently, and they're all in the age group of 8 and 9 years. Every classes has a new concept, so beforehand I'll have to be prepared. So WhiteHat Jr has really provided a good study material which is very detailed and clear to teachers to make kids understand.
We set the URL, it goes to
I really share a special bonding with kids.
Now when you click on button,
So initially, to begin with the kid, you need to be kid. You need to talk their language. Ask their what's their interest. I take minimal classes so that I don't compromise on the quality of teaching. I will definitely recommend parents to enroll their kids to WhiteHat Jr. WhiteHat Jr definitely is like dream come true for me. That I can have my flexible time, stay back at home, be with my son, especially in this during pandemic. WhiteHat Jr has brought the best out of me, which is teaching, and I would love to continue doing that.